What's up, people? Welcome back to the Hiker Grove. I've got my mate A here. We're gonna go climb a mountain up there. We're in the Brecon Beacons, is the one opposite Penafan, and I can't remember the name of it. So I'm gonna do this thing where you point up here to the screen, and it's gonna magically appear with the edit in it. You know what I'm saying? Right, we're here. This is where we're going. There. I think it's Fawr. I think that's how you say it. I'm going to go find the path down there and then up there, Laurel and Hardy style. But I've lost my my holder for the GoPro as well, so I'm having to wing it today. So we're doing it all off the old hands thing, innit? Yeah. You feeling good, yeah? Yeah, mate. Yeah. Feeling good, feeling good, feeling great, mate.
This man here is actually the oldest amateur boxer in the UK.
Yeah, I had a fight last night. Last night I got sparked out. Sparked out by a 20-year-old.
Nah, he carried himself beautifully.
It was good. It was good. Yeah. Got a tip, yeah? Anyone that's out hiking for the first time, what you want to do, if you start on the wrong path like we just did, look for people with sticks, hiking sticks, and go where they go, innit? And that's
yeah, follow the sticks.
Follow the sticks. Yeah. If you're out in the sticks, follow the people with the sticks, because the people with the sticks seem to know what they're doing. Yeah, so this mountain is the one that they do all the SAS training. They get up and they bomb it up here. Leg burner, I like to call it.
Isn't it?
Yeah, the leg burner, isn't it? Do you want to know what one of my pet hates for hiking is? Seeing people leaving dog poo in a plastic bag
On the side of the mountain.
Yeah, like what is that about? Gotta watch out for the bog. Powerful bog. This is bog. Snoop Boggy Bog. trig is over there in the distance, but I'm not sure you can see it on this camera, I don't know. But we've got to swim through this, so we're going to have to put our wetsuits on. And then we will make it. This is totally bogtastic. This thing here is called a Ken. There's a trig, that's A. I'm Ashley. Ashley A trig. Ashley is at A trig. Made it to the top. Got one wet foot. Yeah, that's it. And then jobs are good and that. Did you enjoy that up there?
Beautiful, mate. Yeah, we could have easily stayed at home and not done this today.
No, yeah, because I think, like, you know, by the time we got home from after the boxing last night, it was like, I think I went to bed at like 20 to 3. I'm sure it was 2:40. And I was like, man. And then I just worked out in my head how much sleep I need. Got up at 10, and then we came out and ventured into the Brecon Beacons, in the Welsh, the land of our ancestors. Well, my ancestors. Have you got any Welsh in you? You must have, innit?
Yeah, a little bit.
It's your big toe.
Well.
Your big toe's Welsh.
Yeah, I think so.
Only the left one. Only the left one.
All three of them, yeah.
All three of them.
Yeah.
The webbed ones.
That's why I swam through that bog back then so easily. That's how I liked
Oh,
it.
Jesus! I thought he was a newt. The world's tallest newt. So yeah, sand. See you at the bottom. At the bottom, we got to walk down there, which is basically the way we came up. But I don't know if you can see how bad it is, but it's pretty bad. We could just roll down.
It's pretty steep.
But yeah. So I probably won't film much, but we'll get down there and then get back to the car. Cup of tea. Home. Greg's, innit? Cheeky little Greg's on there.
Definitely little breaks. Yeah, 100%.
Oh, yeah, safe, mate.
Shout to Ash, because he's had a journey with all this stuff and he's done amazingly over the last couple of years. How did you start doing this? What made you start doing these hikes?
It was my mate Darren Moore set it up. So like, he asked me to do a hike with him at Skirrid, and he's like, come up. Me and my youngest daughter Maya did it. And I was like, oh, this is amazing. Me and my mate Darren, he's funny. So he was like, oh, I was like, oh, let's do more. I think we did, I can't remember the order, but then I think we did Sugarloaf with my mum and dad, and Darren and his kids and my kids and my missus and stuff. And then after that we did another one called Table Mountain, all together. And then me and Darren just kept on going, and I was like, oh, let's make a mission of how many we can do. And we said let's do 52, and last year in 2022 I ended up doing 80 hikes. So I did multiple, so say I did like Penafan like 9 times from different sections and loads of other ones. So then now I've had this GoPro sat on the side for years. I'm like, what am I doing with it? Never used it. I was like, and then I realized I've seen people doing hiking videos. I was like, okay, let me try and do this. So obviously the music, I don't mind being behind the camera and stuff. But I haven't connected the two at all. And yeah, that's how it started. But then also it's like, for my mental health and things that I've been through, you know, with my past, which is a lot, which maybe I won't go into now, but yeah, I mean, it's helps a lot with that, just being out, and I think people will know this anyway, being out and about really helps you with depression, and natural environments is one of the greatest healing tools, I would say. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. And then the Hiker Grove is Biker Grove, but the way I do it is because obviously I do my boxing, so some of it's boxing, so like I said, I think I said earlier, George Groves was one of my favourite British boxers, and Hiker Grove, I just came up with it. Literally
Hiker Grove.
Yeah, Hiker Grove, yeah. So that's how it all came about, and then so now my mission is to do one a month this year, because I've got other things I want to do, and film them while I'm doing them, and just maybe show some people who want to go and do it where I'm going, or even if they're not able to get out and about, hopefully they can watch a 10-minute video and feel like they've been there themselves. That is the thought process that when I do it, because I know there's people that can't get out and about, and one of my things was I was very unwell for like 8 years and I couldn't get out and about, so you know, like health issues, I had to have 2 big operations and things like that, and yeah, been through a bit. So
You did 80 peaks last year. How did you see your weeks starting to change when you were doing hiking every weekend? Like, how did you start to feel, notice yourself feeling different?
Yeah, just more at peace with myself, massively more at peace. And then I would say maybe like when it got to the summer, I started to dip again. I started feeling a bit weird. So then I went and got, I went and had some cognitive behaviour therapy with this place called Vitaminds, and they helped me level out the situation in my mind and give me the tools to maybe think about things a bit differently, find new rational thinking, and yeah. So then, because you know, you can hike as many mountains as you want, and this is the truth. But if you're struggling and you're not, what's the word that I'm looking for? Like, you're not facing your demons properly, then maybe you won't solve the issue. Do you know what I'm saying? Does that make sense?
Yeah, so like hiking's, it's a start and part of your well-being.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah. And to get out, 100% do it, but I think you've got to iron out the creases as well in your mind and your thoughts, innit? Because otherwise you're just gonna, it's basically like you're running away from a problem, and it'll always catch you up.
What is hiking for you? Is it a reset from the week?
I think it was when I did it, but now it's just like I'm fully addicted to it. I just love it, mate. Like, look at, you know what I mean? Like, you can, you know, I grew up in the country, so to be out in the sticks to me is just where I think this is where I'm gonna be. I love this. So that is the end. We did the hike, highest mountain in the world. It's not really, but yeah, we did it. We're back in Bristol now. It's dark. The GoPro died. We didn't. Win-win. Cheers for watching the video. That's A. I'm Ashley. Did you enjoy it? Yeah.
Loved it. Yeah, it's beautiful, mate. Yeah, thanks for taking me, mate.
Yeah,
yeah, I really appreciate it. Feel really good for it. Yeah, feel really good for it.
So yeah, like and subscribe, and tell your mates if you've got any. If not, maybe join the friends app. Cheers. Bye.